So here today we have a HOCO car charger for repair. As you can see, the arm stopped working on the side of it there, so it's not working. So yeah, we just decided to split this guy apart. Never had it apart before, so just having a look around. So basically, we use a little guitar pick just to pick off the front glass. It's held on with some double-sided adhesive tape. Lift it up, take it away. And you have on the front side, you have two screws, one to the left, one to the right. And you pop them out. Leave to one side. And the back side is also two more, so undo those two screws as well. That allows us to take out the front bezel, which is a bit like a phone really, I suppose really, but you pop off the outside bezel, so taking off that side first without the power button, or the release button. Just pop that off as well. Use a guitar pick here again because it's quite hard to get it off. And you have four screws there that you have to take off the PCB board with. And then just pop it off. Lift it from the top first and then pop out the power supply. So with that off, then we just take off the bottom section, middle section, and the two arms, left and right. So you can see the broken part there. So you can see I have a split apart there now, so you can see the broken part is that section there. Now, no fault of the actual product itself, more a fault of my own, because when I had the phone in, I squeezed the two arms together, and basically I damaged it and broke that bit off. So it's my own in-car charger. Now the next step is to get it drawn up. So here we're using Shaper 3D. This is a 3D package just to allow us to export to an STL file that will allow us to get it printed on our 3D printer in a few minutes. Now, as you can see, we have those two bits drawn up. So we'll now, with those two bits done, we'll export them and as an STL file to our 3D printer. The machine I have is a Prusa MK3. So let's export into the Prusa and we'll let it off. So you'll see there that's printed away. So just took small snippets out of it there just for ease of watching. And unfortunately, my device fell and it wasn't recording within focus. So apologies for that. Now the next step is we're going to put the whole thing together. So we're sticking the rubber protectors onto the arms on both left and right. So that's them back on there now. And now we'll get them fitted back onto the car in-car charger there now. So that's both sides fitted there now. Now we have a centerpiece. The centerpiece fits on, then the bottom section for holding the bottom of the phone goes on next. Just clips in there onto the centerpiece. Now let's check everything's okay. Then we get our PCB, plug that back in. There's an inbuilt charger into this, or an inbuilt battery in that as well. So basically it'll work without being plugged in, just on the open and closing. So you can see the open and closing function is working there alright. So we're just getting that back in, make sure everything's sitting nice and flush before we start sticking back in our screws. So again, we're just reversing what we done originally. So stick back in our four screws. So with our four screws in there again, we just do a test. The touch button on the back. Get our phone, pop our phone in, just make sure it's clamping okay. Yeah, so it's all showing good. Check it out nice and smooth. The next step then is to clean off our bezel. So we're using some isopropyl alcohol. Give that a wipe around. Just give it a quick run of the scraper. Just scrape any residue, heavy residue off. Give it a clean the microfiber cloth, and then that's all good. Next step then is our glass. So our glass, same thing again, isopropyl alcohol, using the microfiber cloth, giving it a clean. It comes off really easy once you use isopropyl alcohol. And then new 3M sticky tape. So our bezel back on. So it's a bit awkward in this one here with the button to operate the arms was getting caught, so just pop that back in. And once I got that back into place, it was easy enough to clip it back in. That's when that was done. Then we have our normal 4 screws again, so 2 in the back and 2 in the front. Once I have them into place, then we just take our tape off our front glass. To tape off, just using a tweezer here, just tiny, very small tape. It's very good. Trim tape, pop that down, just press in all around. Once that's in place, that's good. Give it a clean. A little bit more of isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cloth. Give it a test. I know it should be good. If you like it, give it a like, share, subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers, let's go. Bye.